What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So Black Friday just came and went, and I went shopping. So I've been waiting to do this video because my wife was here. I didn't want her to see that I wasted money, because that's what she's gonna say, I wasted money. So I waited until she left, then now I'm doing this video. So what happened, I did some window shopping on Black Friday, and then waited Cyber Monday. I ordered a bunch of stuff online because I saw that the Cyber Monday deal at Home Depot was gonna be bigger. Not necessarily bigger, but the fact that I didn't want my wife to see everything that I was buying, so I bought some stuff. So the deal is this: I've always wanted to do some little projects around the house, but I did not have the equipment. So see, the other day I wanted to paint out some spots in the house, and this guy charged me $300. I ended up doing it myself, and it was okay. And so I have other little things that I want to do around the house. I want to start partitioning up this basement, and I have some other little stuff. I have my fence to fix up, and I have the deck around the back to sand and paint. So I've been here for 1 year now, and I just think it's time for me to start doing stuff around the house. So yeah, I went shopping. So some of the stuff came today, and I'm happy to see it. So I have a big pile of stuff around here. So after today, I've been like walking around and saying, okay, where am I gonna plug all these equipment and stuff? And then I run into another issue by not having enough sockets in the basement. So that's one drama that I have to deal with. No sockets in the basement because it's not wired for, should I say, rooms and stuff like that. So I have lights. I think I have like 3 sockets around here. I have one that I'm using the computer in because I have my office stuff set up down here, studio stuff set up in the basement where I do portraits and I do edits and stuff down here. So that's basically it. But now I want to open a little woodwork section in my basement. So hence that I went and bought a bunch of stuff. Alright, so the good deal about this, if I joined Home Depot as like a members section. What do you call it? A pro section. So because I run a business, I opened a pro account with them. So they gave me a card and everything. And the deal with it is that I have 1 year to return all these stuff that I bought. Great. So if I know that I bought these, and then if lazy kick in like next month, and I'm like, oh my god, I made a mistake, what have I done? Then I can return them hassle free, no question asked. That's what they said to me. Alright, and another thing, so it was Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. As a pro member, I get like 5% discount, 5 to 10% discount based on the tier of the stuff, I guess based on the price of the stuff. And then as a military member, I get an additional 10%. So most of the stuff that I bought, I got them like dirt cheap. Alright, so there's really no reason to return them. But just in case my wife comes and like, she's like, what have you done? Why did you buy all this stuff? I'm like, you know what, take them, go return them for me. Stuff like that. So that's not gonna happen though. But anyway, here are some of the stuff that I bought. Alright guys, so the stuff that I bought. I ordered, so this is like a plywood that I cut in two. I bought a sheet of plywood. I bought some 2x4 square extension cord, and a bunch of little equipment that they had on sale. So this company, Ryobi, in the green box, they make a bunch of cheap, or should I say affordable equipment. So I already have their lawnmower, weed whacker, and stuff like that that I use in the yard. And then because everything was on sale, I ended up buying this bunch of stuff to start doing some woodwork project around the house. So this is a router that is used to like round up the edges on furniture or whatever woodcraft that I'm making. So that's it, round up that. And this is a saw. Anyway, most of these I have no idea what they're for, but because it was on sale and I watched a YouTube video telling me the equipment that I need to have in order to start woodworking, basic shop. So I have this other saw that I probably don't need, this and this, because the technical do the same thing. I don't know which one I'm gonna return. Shut up. I have this and this. They technically do the same thing, so I don't know which one I'm gonna return, but I'm gonna return something. I have too much stuff. And I have this. So this is a pump that can pump your tire or whatever. This is for car purpose. So this is not really for my woodwork purpose. This is for in my car, right? And I have a jigsaw for cutting like little corners, tight cuts. That's what the jigsaw is for. I have a grinder for cutting tiles. So because I'm gonna be doing down here, and if I'm gonna tile it, I'm gonna need a grinder to cut the tile. I bought this bunch of clamps, so if I'm doing wood stuff, like I have to clamp wood together. So I have those. I have a sander, a belt sander. So everything is Ryobi. All these are battery operated. Everything here except this. This is something that I'm gonna plug in the current. So I have all these batteries. So I bought these last year from another sale that they had, and these have been perfect for me. A drill, and it's battery operated. One of these handsaw. So I've decided, since I already started out with this brand, I'm just gonna continue using it. So I have this big vacuum. So I got the Ryobi vacuum as well. I tested it out, and the reviews, most of the reviews, that people are saying the battery doesn't last long, and that's the only thing about it. So I switched to this. So this is a big 12-gallon wet dry vac. So this can vacuum water, vacuum dust. And if I'm gonna be doing woodwork down here, it's gonna be a lot of dust. And I also bought this expansion thing for it, and that give me some more hose length. So you know the vacuum has a hose, so everything comes in the box, accessories, and then I bought additional kit with it. So all these are stuff. So these are bits that goes with the rotor. I have these for making joints in the wood and stuff like that. So my first project is gonna be to make a workbench. So that's what these pieces of wood are for. Gonna make my workbench. I have the ply, which I rip in two, which probably is a bad idea because now it looks like it's small. It's gonna be a small. It's not gonna be very wide. So that's pretty much it. So guys, I bought all those things. For one, trying to do it myself kind of thing. So DIY projects. And then two, I'm gonna be making contents for you guys. So you're gonna see me struggling to figure out how to use all of these. So in my head, I think I'm a pro woodworker already because I watch so many hours of YouTube videos. How to start woodwork, tools you need for a beginner woodworker, everything like that. I've been like binge watching. It's like a university. I did like 4-year studies in like a month that I've been preparing myself for this. So wish me luck. So next week, the next woodwork video that you see is gonna be the build of this table that I'm trying to build. I have zero clue as to what I'm doing, but I'm taking a gamble. I'm investing in it, and I'm gonna be doing stuff myself. So I plan to make this table first, and then if that turns out good, then I look into Googling other related projects around the house. Drywall seems easy because when I just came here and I was in New York, I was working with a guy that did drywall. So in my head, I got it. In my head, I think I'm a pro woodworker. So I'm not worried. I can figure it out. I know I'm not dumb, and I know that I have good technical knowledge of stuff. So I know to use those tools in my head, because the first time I'm going to be seeing some of these. So I also bought some other stuff that didn't come, but because everybody's in a Black Friday, Cyber Monday mode, I decided to do this video because they only deliver half of the stuff. So I also bought a table saw. So that's a saw to put on and run big wood through it. And I also bought a planer. So that's a thing that get the wood smooth. So I invested a little bit of money. I can't tell you how much I did because my wife is gonna be pissed. I know once you see that video. So the good thing, she's away, as I'm saying. I waited until she's away to do this video. So she's not coming back until sometime next year, getting down to the end of the year. So she'll be gone for over half the year next year. So by the time she come back, hopefully I have some good projects. So even when she see the tools, she can see that, oh, okay, I build a closet, I build some entry table, I build something that you see in the house that could offset the price. So if I build something that adds up to the value of the money that I spend, I think she's gonna be happy and she's gonna be less pissed about me spending all this money in a time like this. So it's a new hobby of mine. I have some time on my hand. I'm doing portraits now. I'm doing a lot of other stuff. I'm not doing a lot of weddings now, so I have a lot of time on my hand. So this is what I'm gonna do with my time. I just wanna do stuff to keep me occupied until she returns. So I told her, she was like, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna manage when I'm gone? I'm like, yeah, I'll find something to do. Knowing that I had this plan out in my head all along. So wish me luck. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next video. Peace.